Hey everybody, how you doing? I'm here. I am your crafter, Denise, and I'm about to do my first project with a top and these lovely Flax Ice crystals. I'm going to make an like a top for my tumbler here. So as you know, I make glitter tumblers. So, and I wanted to try this because I seen this on other videos, and I was just fascinated with this. And so I said, well, I have colorful tops or whatever. So I will try to do this. This is probably going to be like a key lime type of cup. So I'm going to start with the ice. I don't really have my lime for this, but I'm going to go to Hobby Lobby and see if they have any big shape fruit. So I'm going to see, and let's get started. So I will be using my 6000 for the glue. So I never done this before, so I'm just winging it from what I saw others do. Okay, I'm gonna attempt to get this off. And I'm just gonna go ahead and let it do what it do, because it comes out. When I say it comes out on its own. It came with, you know, a little fine tips and everything, but those little fine tips don't actually quite work because they get clogged. See how? And you gotta work to try to get this on fast or whatever. And then you gotta get this on really quick. Try to find a flat surface part of it and just lay it down. And I'm using all my big pieces first. They just falling and just letting them fall where they, you know, will fit. Okay, so I do have my smaller pieces now, and I'm going to just still have some of the glue showing. So now this is where I have to get kind of creative and work fast. Okay, sorry about that, you guys. I just turned my heater on for the first time. So at least we know that my fire alarm works. So this is how we got it. This is how it looks. And I'm gonna try to put some more right here. Got a little space. trying not to actually get that where the straw is going to go. Find a little smaller piece, kind of fit it in. Okay. Okay, so that's how it looks. So what I'm going to do, I have a few more pieces left, and I'm going to try to do a little stacking motion here. I don't even know why I put the glue. Got 2 more pieces. So, voila. And here's my tumbler. So when it finishes, it looks like this. Then I'm going to put the little lime right there. And I might add some more ice to it. I'm not sure. But that's it. Thank you guys for watching and tuning in for this quick DIY ice tutorial.